We'll travel over 2.5 miles of cable.
Pretty cool, huh, Jason?
At the top, the temperature averages some 40 degrees Fahrenheit.
Slow down.
Change, and the tree flowers and grows. We'll travel over 5 hours. The tallest is 1,227 feet, much the same as a 26-story building.
Dude, I can't keep up with the doors.
All other towers and the mountains had to be constructed by transporting workers and the materials to various sites by helicopter.
Sweaters, I got every sweaters on mine.
Okay, folks, here comes Tower
For the
1.
original route, and the helicopters flew some 1,000 flights an hour, carrying a total of 1,200,000 pounds of materials. With the new road transportation, improvements included a tailored drive system and the removal of 1,000 cubic yards of rock. We'll see survey work, rock face during the trip that indicates where rock removal is required. The new cabins are the first in the Western Hemisphere to rotate 360 degrees during travel and are the largest of their type in the world. We're now high over Chino Canyon, once the summer home of the Agua Caliente Band of Coe Indians. Since there are many streams that flow year-round, the canyon has an abundance of vegetation, including sycamore, cottonwood, alder, black maple, and a great deal of wild grapevine. To the left of the track, or south of the tram car, is but one of the many waterfalls that is fed by runoff from the mountain. During our upward journey, we passed through a variety of different life zones, ranging from the desert to the alpine fringe. It's a little like making a motor trip from Mexico to Alaska. We believe this is the only place in Southern California where this change occurred. As we approach tower number 2, at the top of the tower, you can see a 16 by 16 foot yellow helicopter platform used during the construction and now used during the tram's maintenance period. Additional platforms will be seen on the remaining towers further along our journey. As you no doubt already noticed, we experienced a swinging motion as the tram car transitions from the track cable over the tower saddle and back to the track cable. This motion results in the car moving from the track to the tower and back to the track. The original tramway was designed and built by the Von Roll Company of Bern, Switzerland. And all moving parts and cables are Swiss-made. The towers are American-made. There's a total of 27 miles of various sized cables in the support, movement, and communication of the tramway. The largest of these are the track cables upon which we ride. They weigh just under 9 pounds a foot, with each of these track cables 13,500 feet in length, therefore weighing a total of more than 61 tons. The halfway point on our trip is reached between towers 2 and 3. This happens as the journey. While it appears that the downward car is traveling much faster than we are, it's actually moving at exactly the same speed. It must, because both cars are tied together by the hauling cables, which move with the car. You see, the drive system at the Valley Station is pulling that car down, and in turn is pulling us up. The two cars are 34 feet apart. The Palm Springs area tram was first conceived in the early 1990s.
I see an empty spot where the Jeep was in here. Somebody stole it.
Who, to this day, is known as the father of the tramway. The original tramway was completed in September 1963 after some 26 months of construction at a cost of $8.5 million, all for the sale of revenue bonds. In April of 1998, Palm Springs Aerial Tramway contracted with the Von Roll Tramway undertake construction and installation.
Yeah, well, it's
Okay, folks, hold on for tower 3.
We're right at a total cost of $12 just
How come it does that? That last one was horrible. Wait, who's taking that?
Look at that big frog sticking out. See it?
It is between towers 3 and 4 that we reach the global span of
Mom, snow.
more than half a mile.
Go to hell.
Turn around.
The snow.
Now we're done.
Visible the solid granite core of the mountain. As we continue our journey, the light zone changes become more obvious. You'll see a variety of pine trees, including pinyon, big cone, lodgepole, and white fir. Natural residents of the high country include deer, mountain lion, fox, bobcat, raccoon, and the California gray squirrel.
You see it? Snow.
The smallest of the 5 towers is tower number 4, 57.5 feet tall, located at an elevation of 7,576 feet above sea level. From there, the view is truly spectacular.
We're only gonna go for about, we're gonna go for another
Right, but how high is that?
See over there today.
Below, you will be able to see the many desert cities of the Coachella Valley and far south of the Salton Sea,
Salton Sea.
50 miles away. Off to the left is Coffin Craig, named Honor.
It's
And to the right of our travel is San Gorgonio at 11,493 feet, the tallest mountain in Southern California. We are nearing the end of our journey now. Within the state park and wilderness are more than 54 miles of summer hiking trails and, in winter, many miles of snow skiing.
Okay, last count. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just around the corner to the mountain station. When you arrive, you'll be at 8,516 feet, 2,595 metres. Just carry on holding on as we come gently into the docking area. We may just tap the sides a little bit.
You were on a cliff like this, standing right there.
Driving is wrong. Okay, when I do open the doors, it'll only be one door. It'll be the door to the left-hand side as we face the building. You'll go into the second floor where there's a gift shop and a chance to see the photographs that were taken of you. Up on the third floor we have a viewing deck called Grubb's View that gives you a 360-degree view of the whole area. There's also 2 other viewing decks, 2 restaurants, and for those who need it, there's a bar. Downstairs is where all the hiking trails are. The movie theatre showing 2 films. 1 an 18-minute film on the building and the history of the tram, and 2 a 10-minute film about the state park. We run every 10 minutes at the moment. That will change.